Hello, I have been working with Sakafune-ishi for about 2 weeks, and this is the answer to the mystery of Sakafune-ishi, Nara, Japan. And before I talk about things, please read these warnings very much, because this is very important for the Japanese as well as for me too. Okay? Now have a look at this Sakafune-ishi, and please see these angles at the top of this picture, 2085 point and 27.5. Before I talk everything, I promise here that I never use a trick or sort of a cunning way to make you believe in me, right? This is a fact. These are facts that even for me, I have not expected, or these are an expected fact for me. Have a look at this map first. This is Mohenjo-daro, and this line will go to Teotihuacan, and white line is a line to Teotihuacan, and this is line to Stonehenge, England, Britain. And the angle between them is like this, just like this, and the angle is 28.52, right? 28.5. Okay, 28.5. Have a look at this here, 28.5. And this is Teotihuacan, Mexico, and this green line will take you to Mohenjo-daro. White line is it. And this yellow line is between Teotihuacan and Stonehenge, and the angle between them is like this, 15.63 and 42.51, and the angle is 20.88. That is 27 degrees. Have a look. This is 27 degrees. I was really surprised at this result when I see this. Okay, have a look at this again, Mohenjo-daro and Teotihuacan. Okay, that means the angles of Sakafune-ishi shows the angles exactly the same with the actual angles of the Earth. Again, so I started again to check, examine the angles and lengths very carefully, and this is the result. Okay, have a look at this 12 millimeters and sort of things, and this is Stonehenge on the right side, and this is Stonehenge and Teotihuacan. The distance between them, it is 8,800 kilometers. Between them is like that. And I measure the angles 66 degrees. Watch this line, right? This line will take you, okay, Stonehenge, and this white line is between Teotihuacan and Stonehenge, and 200 kilometers and 66 degrees. Have a look at this red line. Watch very carefully. Watch, red line on the left side, and watch. Please watch. This line will come to cross point west. It's a sort of a datum point which is very important to know the direction of the places on the Earth. This is cross point west. The red line almost comes to cross point west. And again, have a look at this white line, 3,600 kilometers, 52 degrees, and Teotihuacan, he's here, and 52 degrees. Okay, have a look again this red line very carefully. This line will take you now, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look at this red line, Nazca. It comes to Nazca, almost come to the Nazca. Okay, because there would be errors because the map itself is very rough. Anyway, this map shows to other 2 point, cross point west and Nazca. This is very surprising to me too. I have never expected such and such result, and this is the conclusion. Okay, cross point 100. Also, 180 degrees on the opposite side of the west cross point west. There should be east cross point east, right? This is the answer to Sakafune-ishi. Okay? It is a matter of you whether you believe in me or not, but who can deny these four facts which I have pointed out? Who can deny? Can you do this? These are facts. Okay, in the middle of this map is the center, and New Zealand is here down part of this map, and also Sakafune-ishi itself shows the direction to actual direction to Nazca, Giza, Prehavihar, and Cross Point West and Cross Point East too. That means Sakafune-ishi has got two double sort of faces. One is a map seen from the North Pole. Another one is as a sort of a map to show the direction to each place. This is very surprising. I mean, the man who made this map was or is very, very, very clever. Thank you very much for watching. See you again and video number 99 soon. Thank you very much again. こんにちは、林博です。今日もまた少し坂船石にこだわってみます。この模様が問題なんですけども、謎がどうしても解けないと言いますか、そのラインがですね、どこを示しているかわからないですね。ですからアインシュタインが言ってますように、考え続けることが大事なんだということで、今日も挑戦しています。この絵には非常に大きな謎が隠されていると思います。まずこの線ですけど、これは皆さんも Google Earth などを使って調べていただければわかりますけども、ナズカ、プレハフィア、それからギザですね、これちょっと書き忘れましたけど、それからこれはクロスポイントウェスト、イースト、赤道との交点です。そういったところに結びついている。非常になんて言いますか、幾何学的に整然とした図形であることは事実なんです。でところがまだもう一つ謎があるんですね。これは方向を示すと同時に実はこの中に地図が隠されているんですね。で前回昨日調べましたところ右の丸がですねどうもストーンヘンジを示しているわけです。いわゆるイギリスですね。グリーンウィッチですかと一致するんですね。ということはですね、坂船石はですね、人間がですね、経度、緯度、時間を決める、緯度はいいですけども、決める以前からですね、1000年以上も前から、すでにイギリスを、世界の起点としていた。ということになりますと、逆に言いますと、人間が逆に操られているのではないのかなという疑念を昨日持ちました。で、どうも気になるものですが、今日も調べてました。このクエスチョンマークのところがあまりよくわからないです。これからおいおい調べていきますと、後になってポッとわかるときが出てくるんですね。ですから、これは謎のまま残していきます。ここはストーンヘンジです。それから、これはティオティワカンです。で、これがもう返上だろうです。最後にギザですけども、これに先ほどの坂船石の図を当てはめてみますと、これはもう不思議なぐらい綺麗にぴったりと重なるんですね。ということは、坂船石の模様はですね、地球を北極から見たところのそれぞれの位置関係を示していると。地図であると、方向を示す地図であると同時に、またこの北極から見た地図である。非常に巧妙になっていますが、頭のいいと言いますか、人間技ではない地図の表記の仕方なんですね。そういうことなんです。このクエスチョンマークのところを調べています。では、ビデオ96をお楽しみください。Hello again, this is Hiroshi Hayashi, Hamamatsu, Japan. I'd like to talk about a very serious story for human beings, and you'll be shocked if you know this fact. This story starts from here, Sakafune-ishi, Nara, Japan. Sakafune-ishi, about which I have been examining these few weeks very carefully. And I have checking the Sakafune-ishi again this morning, and I found a very serious story about this. Remember this degree 28.5. This is very important. And again, please see this map. This is Sakafune-ishi, 33 degrees and 35 and 30 degrees. This is 898 degrees. The longitude of Teotihuacan is 898.5. Is this a coincidence? 30 to Giza, Egypt, and longitude of Egypt is 31 and 68. The longitude of Mohenjo-daro is 68.07 east. And I have never used any tricks about this stone, except I restored the broken rocks as follows. Okay, this is a very sort of unexpected result even for me. And this is the original photo of Sakafune-ishi, and this rock was apparently broken into pieces by someone. And I restored the rock like this. And Sakafune-ishi used to be like this, I'm sure. And I first, a few weeks ago, I checked the lines and angles of this rock, and I found each line shows a direction to each very important measure point, sort of a datum point for ancient pilot, Nazca and Prehavir and Giza, and two other cross point west and cross point east. These 2 points are very, very important to know the direction to fly anyway. This is what I found in the past videos, but today is I have found more serious, very serious fact for human beings. Okay, have a look at this map again, right? Something is very strange about this map. Very carefully. Do you know why? Look at the black line on the top, in the middle of this map, right? This one, this line. This one is very strange. Do you know why? Okay, before I talk about the mystery, I have to tell you one thing. Please know this fact. Okay, it is coming soon. This is Mohenjo-daro, and remember this 28.5 degrees, right? This is okay, 28.5. This is Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan, and this is line from Mohenjo-daro to Teotihuacan, Mexico, directly. Very precisely, I drew a line between Mohenjo-daro and Teotihuacan. And this is the line I drew at the angle of 28.5 to know where it goes. I wanted to know where it goes. So I drew another line like this. This line was drawn by me at the angle of 28.5. And surprisingly, this line comes up here. Have a look at this red line. Red one. Okay? This red line, just a little above it. And yes, this one is one red line. And this red line comes very near to Stonehenge. The area between them is only 8 kilometers. Okay? That means this map shows sort of our center of the Earth. Okay? But why? This is a mystery. Okay? Because someone knew the center of the Earth before human established the center of the Earth. Humans established the center of the Earth in Greenwich, England, in 1884. But okay, before that, 1494. But the Sakafune-ishi was apparently built more than 1,000 years ago. That means the one who made the Sakafune-ishi knew the center of the Earth before human established the center of the Earth. But why? This is the North Pole, and have a look at this Earth very carefully. And I put together, okay, this is Teotihuacan, Mohenjo-daro, Giza, and Stonehenge. And I put Sakafune-ishi together with this map on it. This is North Pole in the center, and exactly, precisely, the line come together. The lines come together. Are these coincidences? I don't think so. Okay. This is what I wanted to tell you. We were controlled because they established the center of the Earth before human established the center of the Earth, long time before that. Thank you very much for your watching, and see you again on video number 97 next. Bye.